Okay, I got my safety glasses and my, look at that thing. What a beast. So today we're going to grind some stumps. You ready? Here we go. Getting too old for this. This is a fancy trailer. Look at this machine. Who invented something like this? You know what we're going to do is we're going to invent this hydraulic machine to grind stumps. This is crazy. Okay, so there's a choke. I don't know if I have to choke it or not. Okay, here we go. This is a key. I know I got to start it. Here we go. No. Oh, turtle, bunny. Okay. Ready? Wow. Okay. It's like an army tank. Look at Duke. So it's like an army tank. And then this works that thing up there, left and right. And then, oh, then it goes down and up. And then I push this button in. Like I push this, there's a thing on the side here. So I push this in, push this button, and then the cutter goes, I think. Like that? Is it going? Okay. All right. Here we go. What was that? A rock. Now we go for the big stump, folks. All right, what do you think, Duke? You think that's a big enough hole? So you've got to, take all the sawdust / dirt and put this back over. We're probably going to have to add some more landfill. So this is the 30 SG from Barreto. If you'd like to buy one, I'm sure you can find one on the internet. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.